Unlock the ancient Himalayan herbal secret to a perfect smile. Your dental well-being journey starts now. Scientifically researched for optimal results. Every ingredient has been backed by research to promote oral health holistically without any compromises. Comprehensive support for total dental wellness. This powerful formula targets gum health, strong teeth, and fresh breath, all in a single, easy-to-use supplement. 21 essential ingredients. Oradentum is a unique formula with 21 carefully selected nutrients, herbs, and minerals designed to support dental health. Packed with nature's most effective ingredients. Vitamin C and vitamin E. These powerful antioxidants help support gum health and protect your oral tissues from oxidative stress. Banaba leaf extract and corosolic acid. Known for their antioxidant properties, these botanicals help support oral wellness by targeting harmful free radicals. Alpha-lipoic acid and taurine. And many more natural ingredients, including bitter melon, yarrow, cayenne, white mulberry, and vanadium, that work together to support your oral health journey. It's your time to be the next success story. Just incredible. This is absolutely like nothing I've ever tried. The results were more than surprising. My gums have never felt healthier. And it's so easy to use. Corinne F. I'm no longer scared of public embarrassment. I always felt embarrassed about my teeth and breath. Not anymore. Just get it, you'll finally feel confident with your smile. James V. My teeth and gums feel amazing. I wasn't sure if I really needed this at first, but let me tell you, after using it, I can't imagine my routine without it. Rachel S. Order now and claim your exclusive Oradentum upgrade worth over $400. The all-in-one essential kit designed to further support, improve and boost your oral health for years. The Lifetime Smile, Secrets to Perfect Teeth. Packed with celebrity dentists' secrets for dazzling pearly whites, better brushing techniques, and the perfect dental routine. Asterisk, this is a digital download ebook. Tooth care made easy, everything you need to know. Learn natural remedies and practical insights to relieve discomfort and promote healthier teeth and gums. Asterisk, this is a digital download ebook. The fast way to master your dental fears. A 10-video series packed with expert advice on flossing, natural remedies for sensitivity, and overcoming dental anxiety. Asterisk, this is a digital download ebook. Warning. Oradentum is not sold in stores or elsewhere online and never will be. It is only available for purchase on this page only. In fact, this is the very last time you'll ever be able to get Oradentum again. Act now to fully protect your gums and teeth health now and well into the future. No risk, 60 days money back guarantee. If you are unhappy with the product, simply return it within 60 days of receiving it and we'll give you a full refund. It's that simple.